The path module builds file paths correctly across operating systems, avoiding fragile string concatenation like folder plus file that breaks on Windows. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Path.join combines path segments correctly for the current OS. Path.resolve turns a relative path into an absolute one. __ name is the real absolute directory path of the current file. Path.join handles the OS-specific separator automatically. __ name data notes.txt is built correctly, no manual string concatenation. Path.join __ name public is the standard, portable way to point express.static at a folder relative to the current file. Here's the real difference. Path.join builds a correct file path from segments for any OS. Path.join builds a correct file path from segments for any OS. Path.resolve turns a relative path into a real absolute one. __ name is the current file's real absolute directory, a reliable anchor for building other paths. Use path.join with __ name to build a path to a config.json file next to your script. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.